In this video, we will quickly understand the basic tabs and commands in PowerPoint 365. When working in PowerPoint, the interface is organized into different tabs, each containing specific tools and features to help you build and edit your presentation efficiently. The main tabs include Home, Insert, Draw, and others. The Home tab provides access to common tools like font settings, text alignment, bullet points, and slide layout. This is the tab you will likely use the most when formatting your slides or arranging content. The Insert tab is used when you want to add elements to your slide, such as pictures, charts, tables, icons, and text boxes. It allows you to enrich your presentation with additional visual or informative components. The Draw tab is especially useful if you want to use a stylus or draw directly on your slides. This is handy for annotations, custom shapes, or freehand illustrations during a presentation or while preparing dynamic content. All these tabs are located at the top of the PowerPoint window, just above the main working area where you input and edit your slides. Each tab groups together related commands, so you can easily find and use the tools you need without searching too much. Understanding these tabs and their commands is essential for anyone looking to work efficiently in PowerPoint. Mastering this structure allows you to quickly navigate the software and make your presentations look professional and clear.